Yo, yo. Here we go. Snow kind of stopped a little bit. Man, I just slipped over here and landed on my side and ate shit. God damn. Fuck, that hurt. Oh my God, that fucking hurt. Right fucking there, I slipped. Fuck me, man, that hurt. Oh. Whoa. Can't even see the mountain. There's so many clouds. Got a snowstorm coming in. Oh my God, I just ate shit. Oh well, sorry I'm moaning. Oh, that hurt like a motherfucker. Holy shit, man. I almost slipped again. Fuck me, it's cold. Slippery as shit, man. Damn, that hurts. Oh my God. Oh, that hurt. Son of a gun. It's snowing. There's snowing. Man, that fucking... Oh, man, I fucking slipped. Felt like I twisted my ankle, too. Landed on my side. Fucking cocksucker. Man, that shit's slippery. I got the heater there. Hold on. And another heater right there too. And that one when the generator's on. But that fucking thing, I don't know what's up with that. It's one of my older ones. I grabbed it and it doesn't stay on. But anyway, no worries. Here it comes. Here it comes. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, we're getting snowed in now. Supposed to get 37 inches. And on the mountain, it's always we already got a shitload of snow. Shit. It's already got snow. Oh, shit. Damn, man, I got snow. Oh, man, I got it all over there. Shoot. Excuse me. Shit. Huh. Oh, okay. Whew, man, it's cold. Yeah. Yep. Whew. Not enough light, huh? I am so sorry. There we go. I got this little heater too I can put on. I can turn on. Yeah, you can see my breath. I gotta pick up that fucking trash. It's too goddamn fucking cold. Oh, I was burning a bunch of boxes. I grabbed a bunch of boxes from storage. I was gonna burn them like I'd get rid of them so I could have more room in my storage. Shit, we already got a shit ton of snow, man. Now there's gonna fucking snow on top of that. Now it's snowing on top of that. Melted fucking buildings. Melted fucking buildings. Holy shit, I mean, I don't even think I've ever blown that much breath like that. Whew, ah. There went somebody right there going down the road, up the mountain. Looked like an RV. Kind of looked like an RV. It's still snowing. Fucking snowing. Motherfucker. Ain't that a blip? Ain't that a blip? Goo goo goo. Ain't that a biatch? Sorry, guy. Yeah. Enjoying a little snow, a little smoke. Little dab. Just had a good little cookout meal. Man, I'm stuffed. I am full. Ooh, you hear that wind? It was windy last night. It was windy last night. Yeah, it's gonna dump some snow. Shit. Well, anyway, Phoenix Side Crew, please like, share, and subscribe. Much love. Love you all.